on there. Baby, try this. You never been to the owl before? Welcome, fellow Max. Let me show you something. Ah ha ha!
Well, I'm glad you stopped by.
Guardians, look, we went to owl and we got some shit. Hold on, wait a minute, god damn it. Open up. Wait a mother minute. Oh shit. Guardians, this is it. The sauce ain't that. I mean, it's hot, but it ain't got no flavor to it. But the other sauces on there, fire. Oopsie. See, this is the chicken one, and they definitely use chicken thighs in here. And they got fresh squeezed lemonade, bro. Fresh squeeze. This is real lemons. Guardians, this is the chorizo joint. Taste that. Yeah. Definitely like the chicken one better. The chorizo one, it's not for me. Guardians. That's with the poblano cheese on there. Woo! Damn. That poblano cheese sauce is fire. Hold on.
Yeah, it's
Hey. Got my hands on her shit now. She talking about, ooh, this shit fire. Nigga, hold on. Hold on. She ain't getting this bitch back.
what happened to the paper garden?
The chicken on here, A1. The eggs, nice and fluffy. They back there doing they motherfucking thing. Chicken is on another level. That is real, fresh, homemade. I mean, it's from a restaurant, but it's like homemade chicken. They ain't playing. They doing their motherfucking thing. That shit ain't frozen. It ain't like from these other places. They make that shit in-house. Go get you some, bro. That chicken fried chicken meal, fire. And the sandwich. Get it. Open up.